Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back, and it's time to eat again. And today I made some chicken and shrimp tacos by Tabitha Brown. Y'all see my seasonings? So this one is taco business and like sweet, like smoky. And here's my shrimp. And the chicken. One chicken breast cut up. Some white corn tortillas. And here are my toppings. For dessert, I have a whole pineapple. I'm gonna take the core out and cut it in some slices. This is pineapple jalapeno Buzzballs. Ooh. Cheers. That's good. Oh, I got some chips, by the way. Okay. I do want to make let's make 3. Shrimp. Chicken. And let's do one with both. Lettuce. I got some tomato slices. Jalapenos. Onions. Cheese. And taco sauce. Ooh, I want a little sour cream. Y'all take a bite. I'm so thankful for these tacos. This is good. Oh my God. That's good. That was a good taco. That's delicious. It's the pomegranate ice cubes. Okay, let's do chicken and shrimp next. I want some sour cream. It's really not salty. I use the seasoning and the taco seasoning pack. It's delicious. Not salty at all. But the flavor combo, like the seasonings, you can still taste the seasoning, but you just don't taste sodium. And I got this Taco Bell sauce. I got cheese. You know, I got stuff that, you know, there's salt here, so you don't need too much. So, it feels in my shirt. This one is shrimp only. I might need a couple more pieces in there. I want a little bit of this taco sauce. I want this one to be nice and thick, juicy, saucy. Gotta have the sour cream. Oh, y'all, look at this one. It's a lot of shrimp in there. I don't know if you can tell. Ooh, I want this side. It was good. I feel like I'm turning my head upside down. You gotta get the angle. You gotta get the angle just right. My neck hurting too, but you listen. This is a good taco. Okay. I always try to do like Olympic bites, Guinness World Record bites, and then I wonder why stuff always falls on the floor. I don't know, I can't take a normal bite every time. Okay. I'm eating like a savage. It's good. I guess I got these chips for decoration because the tacos, it's too good. Cheese and sauce all in my hair. Anyway, I missed y'all. I did. Okay. I got a whole pineapple, deshelled or skinned. Now let's take the core out. Y'all see that? I got this from Publix. Do a nice thin slice. So y'all, today's date is actually December 26th, 2024. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Am I the only one who feels like 2024 just flew by? Like, you just turn around in a circle, jump one time, snap 3 times, and then boom. It's December. Now I can say this has been a very eventful year for me. What about you? It felt like a paradigm shift. Like, I don't know. 2024 felt like the warm up for 2025. It feels like y'all. I feel like I'm experiencing the anticipation of a breakthrough. And I know I'm not the only one who feels that feeling, you know. And this is not my first time feeling this. It comes and goes. It happens from time to time. But am I the only one who can feel your next level approaching? Mm. Mm-hmm. It's good. Get you a slice. Oh, it's good. Let's do one more. Shout out to everybody who kept the faith through your long suffering. Okay? Shout out to you because you didn't give up on yourself. Because it's harvest time now. It's time to reap. Yep. Everybody, it's time to reap. Regardless of what you sowed. Be it good or bad. Peaceful or toxic. The frequency's coming back in 2025. It's harvest time. Yep. That was good. Yep. That was so good. This fruit water's good too. And please don't get me wrong. This right here, oh, she going in the freezer. I want it to rock up a little bit. I'm gonna drink that later. I'll probably be up for another 3 hours. I have 2 videos to edit. One video I did like 2 weeks ago. And life got real for a second, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna go edit both of these videos. And I'll be back. I think I'm gonna do a Cooking with Kaya rendition in the kitchen with y'all. I think I want to cook and eat some. I either want to do like some cold weather chili or I know Donna asked about the chicken Philly cheesesteak. So I think, I don't know. I gotta find something to cook in the kitchen with y'all. Because we gotta talk about this Cooking with Kaya situation. I love y'all. Oh, this is good. I do. I love you. And I'll be back.